Hi everyone! I'm excited to introduce this video. I collaborated with Vincent Pensée, Pristine Friend Shop, who sells organic cotton wear in Japan. With this collaboration, I learned a lot about organic cotton that I didn't know about before. When you drop a fluffy cotton fiber ball in the water, it doesn't sink. Do you know why? Because it contains natural oil, which is why the clothing made from the organic cotton is the most skin-friendly and soothing, perfect material for the newborn babies. Organic cotton is made without pesticides or genetically modified seeds. The farmers use the natural methods to grow and process cotton plant. For example, they use ladybugs and other beneficial insects to help control pests and keep the plants healthy and strong instead of using pesticides. They use the soil fertilized with cow manure instead of a chemical fertilizer. And they wait for the natural defoliant instead of using a defoliating agent. For sure, it takes a lot of effort to make organic cotton, but it's better for your skin as well as for the environment. These baby clothing took additional 2 more years from the harvest of the cotton to be on the shelves at the stores. Everything is handmade, and only 4 of these baby toys can be made per day at the factory. Many of you have requested for the baby-themed gift wrapping, and I'm excited to combine the tutorial with the perfect gift for the newborn baby and his or her parent. If you are interested in learning more about the baby clothing made from the organic cotton, please check the description below. Let's start wrapping the gift. Wrap your gift first. Make sure to wrap the paper around the box tightly. Use double-sided tape to close the ends for a neater presentation. I'm skipping to show the details of this part since today's focus is to create a floral design for your package. To learn more about how to wrap a box, please check my other box gift wrapping videos. To create the paper flower, prepare the papers in 2 different colors. You will need 12 large petals and 12 small petals. To find out how much paper you will need, decide the size of your petals first, then have enough paper to make 12 petals for each size. For my large petals, I have 3 sheets of letter size or A4 size paper, and I'm gonna fold them in half twice, so the paper is divided into 4 sections. Since I have 3 sheets together, 4 times 3 is 12 layers. Let's cut the paper to the shape of flower petal. If you cut your petals in the same way, make sure your paper is not too thick so that cutting 12 layers is not too difficult. To make the base circle, cut paper to square, fold in half twice to a triangle shape. Then cut the open side to a curvy shape so that it becomes a circle shape when it's opened. Lightly fold the petal in half. Mark a little in from the tip. Place double-sided tape, glue dot, or any other adhesive right on the mark. Then close. Repeat the same steps with the rest of the 11 petals. To attach the petals to the circle evenly, first, attach 4 petals at the ends of the crossed lines using double-sided tape. Then fill 2 petals in between, starting at the upper left in clockwise direction. Make sure all the petals are facing to the same direction. and they are equally spaced. We are pretty much repeating the same steps for the small petals. Cut 12 petals in the smaller size than the first petals. This time I have one large sheet of paper, which I'm folding to make 12 layers again. Cut the layers of paper into a petal shape to make 12 small petals. Again, create folded tip designs to the petals. Then attach them to the inner part of the large petals in the same way. Now cut 2 slits at the center to put the ribbon through. Put the end of the ribbon through the right slit. Then continue to wrap the ribbon around the box. Put it through from the back side of the left slit to the front. Cut the end enough to create a ball. Tie a single knot. Then place a baby toy, pacifier, or any other decorative ornament you like at the center. And tie ribbon around to hold it down. Continue to create a single ball. Cut the ends. And done. I hope you liked the tutorial. Next time you give someone a baby gift, organic cotton clothing and toys can be a wonderful choice, and decorate the package with a cute flower design. I upload easy to advanced gift wrapping tutorials weekly. Please subscribe to the channel for the upcoming videos. Don't forget to like and comment if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.